To begin, open the Facebook Messenger app on your phone. Then open the chat you want to delete the entire conversation for. Tap on the profile picture or name at the top to access the chat settings. Swipe up to scroll down. At the bottom you will see Delete Conversation. Tap on it. From the confirmation window, tap Delete to confirm. The entire chat conversation will then be permanently deleted from your messenger, and you won't be able to view it again. When you delete a conversation, it is removed only from your messenger. The other person will still have access to the chat unless they also delete it. When you search for a person whose conversation you've deleted, you'll see their name in the search results, but the chat will appear empty unless new messages are sent. So that's how you can permanently delete a conversation on Facebook Messenger.